Hi guys, today we are just going to start with a new chapter. So basically, we are focusing on how this Excel is helping you to develop a business with inside you. So inventory management is more important within a business. So today I have created the product creation format for you, right? Rather than you going for a ERP at once, you can just manage a small business within Excel sheet. So I'm just going to start as one total to another. So first of all, I will explain you the format that I have created. So if I just see the illustration of this, but the first one is the SKU, stock keeping unit. So the second one goes as department. So we are just going to maintain this as a department store. So I'm just going to create a product. So you can see the demonstration here. Then I will go for the creation of this format. So I will select the beverage. Then the category we will go for juice, and the subcategory goes for a flavor, let's say strawberry. Then brand will be we will go for, let's say, Otmale. Then the size of the product will be 250 ml. So in here you can see in this format, when you select your department, when you select your category, when you select your subcategory, the brand and size, you will get a product description here. The product description comes automatically, and then again you will get a post description here. So the product description, which is elaborates like every unit that you have selected, and the post description, which is printed on your bill. So this is the basic idea of creating this format. So if I just start this from the beginning, uh, I will go for a new sheet. So page layout, I'm just going to take the grid lines out. If I show you the sheet 2, in here I have created some departments, product subcategories, brands in here. So this will be our basic criteria which we are going to filter uh, within our format. So I will get the headers at once for the sheet that I've created from the top. So I will copy this and I will paste it in here. Then I'm just going to insert a table. Insert table. I've already had the headers, so I have put the tick in here and press OK. Then you can see the table has been created. Now the first column, because I'm starting from the 0, I'm just going to change this as text. The first SKU column, stock keeping unit column, will be on text. And then I just need to get the drop down list for the department. So what I'm going to do is, from data, I'm just going to select this data validation. From the data validation, you can select what is the requirement you need. So I'm just going with the list. Then the source, I'm just going to give you from the department this range, and then press OK. Then you can see in here you will get a drop down list for this. Then the same thing with the category. I will do this quickly. List, source, category. Then the subcategory. It goes with the brand, data validation. list, source, sheet 2, selecting the brand and press OK. Size, same again, data validation, list, source, and then you will select the range and press OK. So I'm just going to copy all these into the next. So when I just clicked on a product, I just need to get the product description in here. So what I'm going to plan is, in here I will give a formula to create the product description. So the product description will be equal, this is my method 1, create the product description, equal department and double inverted commas, then again and category and double inverted comma space, another double inverted comma, and subcategory and double inverted, same as previous, and brand and again and the size. So when I press enter, cannot see anything here. So let's say the SKU started with 0001. Now you can see the zeros won't go out. So if I just enter somewhere around here, let's say if I enter 0001, you can see only one will be left. So I have converted this into text. So from the drop down, I'm going to select beverage. Category will be juice. Subcategory will be strawberry. Brand will be Kotmale. The size of the product will be 250 ml. So in here you can see I have created the product description in this format. Now I'm going to give the post description, which is appear in the customer's bill. Equal, there's a formula called concatenate, open brackets. Then first of all, I will go with the brand. So I will select the brand and double inverted, sorry, comma, space, comma, subcategory, comma, space, comma, category, comma, size. Then you close the bracket. You can see it, I already have the post description here. Malay strawberry juice, 250 milliliters. So I will go with my second product I'm going to create. 002. I will get the department here as bread and bakery. So my category will be bread. Subcategory will be sandwich. Brand I will go for vinegar. Then the size 450 grams. So in here you can see my product description came as bread and bakery, bread sandwich vinegar 450 grams. Post description comes as vinegar sandwich bread 450 grams. So this is the basics that we need to create the inventory